Planning to ship your car to Asia? Whether it's for relocation, export, or import, this video will guide you through the essential steps to ensure a smooth and cost-effective transport experience. Start by choosing the appropriate shipping method, roll-on/roll-off, RoRo, the most cost-effective option suitable for operational vehicles. Container shipping offers extra protection, ideal for luxury or classic cars. Air freight, the fastest option, delivering in just 3-10 days but at a higher cost. Consider your vehicle's value, your budget, and your preferred timeline when making this choice. Contact several reputable transport companies to obtain quotes. Provide them with your vehicle's specifications and preferred shipping method. This allows you to compare prices and services to find the best fit for your needs. Keep in mind that shipping costs can vary based on factors like distance, vehicle type, and transport method. Before shipping, ensure your vehicle is ready. Clean the interior and exterior for inspection purposes. Remove personal items and aftermarket accessories. Check for any leaks or mechanical issues. Document the vehicle's condition with photos. Proper preparation helps prevent delays and ensures your vehicle arrives safely. To ensure a smooth shipping experience, book your shipment well in advance. Communicate clearly with the transport company. Keep all documentation organized. Be present during pickup and delivery. These steps help avoid misunderstandings and ensure your vehicle arrives safely. Shipping a vehicle to Asia doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you can ensure a safe and efficient transport. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Have questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below.